Hi friends, do you love playing with dolls? I know I do. Every single doll is special, right? They have their own cool outfits, their own hairstyles, and their own amazing personalities. Today we're going to do something super fun. We're going to build our very own doll. And not just any doll, we're making a beautiful pink sparkly doll that looks a little like Queen Elsa. Are you ready to help me? Let's sing along and bring our doll to life. Look, here she is. But something's missing.
Look, here she is.
But something's missing.
Where is her face? Her face, her face. She needs her face. Her face, her face. She cannot go without her face.
Oh no, 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 no. Aha! Let's give her some beautiful eyes, a little nose, and a happy smile.
There, perfect!
Now she can see all the fun we're having. Okay, what's next?
Oh, her hair!
Where is her hairdo? Her hairdo, her hairdo. She needs her hairdo, her hairdo, her hairdo. She cannot go without her hairdo. Oh no, 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 no. Let's give her a beautiful long pink braid. Wow, look at that, so pretty. She looks like a real princess now. But wait, a princess needs a crown. Or maybe a headband. Where is her headband? Her headband, her headband. She needs her headband, her headband, her headband. She cannot go without her headband. Oh no, 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 no. Here it is, a sparkly glittery headband right on top of her pretty pink hair. Ooh la la. She's looking fabulous, but she can't go to the ball like that. She needs an outfit. Where is her dress? Her dress, her dress. She needs her dress, her dress, her dress. She cannot go without her dress. Oh no, 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 no. Let's find the most beautiful dress for her. This one, a gorgeous flowing pink gown with sparkles all over. It's perfect for twirling. Let's put it on her. She looks amazing. We're almost there, but look at her feet. They're bare.
Where her she?
Good. Where are her shoes? Her shoes, her shoes. She needs her shoes, her shoes, her shoes. She cannot go without her shoes. Oh no, 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 no. Let's find the perfect pair. How about these cute little pink shoes to match her dress? Yes, now she can dance all night long. Okay, she's got her face, her hair, her headband, her dress, and her shoes. She looks perfect. But I think we can add one more thing to make her truly magical. Where are her wings? Her wings, her wings. She needs her wings, her wings, her wings. She cannot go without her wings. Oh no, 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 no. Look, beautiful, sparkly fairy wings. Let's put them on her back. One on this side, and one on this side. Wow, look at her, our doll is complete. She's a beautiful, magical fairy princess. We did it. Thank you so much for helping me, friends. Now it's your turn. Go grab your favorite doll and get ready for an adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.